everybody? Welcome to a new week for trading. December 7th. Getting started here a little bit late. I had to do some stuff in the morning. Sent out emails, going through websites, checking stuff out, but here we are. Let's get started. So let's go to gold. First, I want to look at the 4 hour because we had this big move down during London session at 12 o'clock. Yeah, that went straight down, reversed all the way up. Went above the support, and now it's green candlestick. See how this goes. I think the flip is at 1831.50. That's gonna be a key area to watch at 1831.50. If you go to the daily, remember our analysis said that it's kind of slowing down its bullish momentum trend. Kind of did, and today's been a red candlestick for the most part. So with that red candlestick, it does look like it's gonna head down, but the 4 hourly on like everything is looking pretty bullish right now. It's at this support. We had this support marked out yesterday and from last week as well. And the bottom support here, it is tapping into this support and pushing up higher. If we go to the 30-minute, we can see that as well. Even if I did enter here, I'd have a stop below this candle. The TP would be quite far away. Honestly, if I was up a little bit earlier, that would have been the perfect entry as this candlestick started to even now, actually. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Let me just quickly analyze it. Red, green candlestick, liquidity grab. No news today. I remember the news is only on Thursday and Friday this week. 15-minute. I don't really. 15 minutes. 5 minutes. 1 minute. Kind of reached the blockade, eh? Maybe I could enter lower now. It gives me a good price, actually. I just entered. So I'm at 1833.50 on my black bull. 1830 is my stop loss, and then 1837.50 is my TP. There we go. I think that just gave me my entry point at that point right there. So with that, I think the entry would have been down here, I think between 6 and 620, but obviously I wasn't on at that point. But now it gave us an entry when it had that little push down. If you look on the hour, the previous hour was a green candlestick above the previous 3. Well, 2 out of the 3. I mean, it made a bullish body, pretty strong bullish body, filled this wick for the most part. I feel like we're going to correct this move at 1 o'clock and push it up higher. That's kind of what I'm anticipating for this move right here. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Get my chat out. Another week. So you know what? I'll be right back real quick. I gotta do something. Ooh, look at that. Let's go. Push up. 30 minutes about to close. I mean, if 30-minute closes like this, we're definitely going to correct this move. So one thing is looking to correct that move from London session. Whoops. Okay, so let's get the... Yeah, let's go like that. So that's basically it. Oh, there we go. So I'm anticipating the move to correct this sell off. Because if it was going to continue down, it should have continued down from there, right? But it never really did. So now we just watch it and wait. See how this next 30-minute reacts, and then we'll look at the hour. I mean, it's still like, what, 28 minutes left in this hour. Anything can really happen. I think it's just about being nimble, watching it, and playing the price action. Price action is key. That's the thing that dictates almost everything, really. With this big liquidity grab at 6 o'clock, I am anticipating this to continue up higher because we have this 30 minutes finishing above this zone over here. So with that, I do think it'll go higher. If it doesn't, well, fuck, it is what it is, right? I mean, that's all you can really do. Looks like it's pushing down, which is nice. I want to see a bit more of a push up. It's about 20 pips away from my take profit. pushing up. It's gotta hope it continues going up. Almost there, about 10 more pips, and then we're gonna put stops to break even. Eight more pips. Take profit has been hit. Move the stop to break even. Call it a trade. That was a good trade. We stuck with that that little push down actually. I don't know if anyone tunes in, but that little push down before that pop up, that's what gave us the wiggle room, if you want to call it that, to actually get into it or give us that better price, the better entry that we were looking for to get into it. So that was like the biggest key there. But yeah, with that, at the 6 o'clock candle, I mean, the better entry would have been on the wick, but with that push down, I think it went to like 1833.50. That push down gave us that entry point to get in that reduced our risk, which then actually at that point made more sense. That's the only reason why we got into that trade. Because if it kept going up, I probably wouldn't have gotten into that trade for the fact that the risk reward wasn't there. But just considering that push down happened, that's the only reason that I got into it. Be patient with it. And then look at that, it hit the 40 pip take profit target. And that's what we look for. We look for opportunities that could give that 40 pip take profit target, which it did, which is good. I mean, we'll keep this analysis up for now, so everybody can review it if they want to. Overall, pretty solid trade. No complaints. I mean, it worked out pretty perfect. It's still popping up, which is nice. Actually, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that one. That looks nicer. Get that screenshot going. Whoops. Post it on Instagram, post it on the blog. Good way to start a Monday. Again, good way to start a Monday. Mondays ain't so bad, honestly. I think it's just perspective and a mindset at that point. A lot of people hate Mondays. I love them. New week started, it's fresh. New opportunities presents themselves. It gives you a new chance to reset the week and, take advantage of it. Damn, look at that pop up. Take that screenshot, actually. I haven't posted it yet, but that screenshot looks nice. Strong bullish candle. Pretty happy with this trade. One of my better ones, to be honest. Waited for it, executed properly, and it turned out pretty well. Oh, we just gotta sit back, wait patiently for that next opportunity that presents itself. No need to rush it. All right, let me post this on the blog real quick. Pretty good trade for the most part. Damn, this thing is pumping. Holy. Take that screenshot while it's still there. No, I mean in general, that was a pretty good trade. Turned out pretty well. I'm gonna delete those now. I think we got a pretty good idea of its analysis. Damn, that thing is pumping right now. Holy. Perfect. Trades up on the blog. Gonna post it on Instagram. Good to go. Why my nose is running? I'm gonna put myself on mute real quick. Sorry. All right, I'm back. Post this on Instagram actually. Let's get that done. Perfect. Just posted it on Instagram too. Got everything up there. Perfect. Posted. Now we just chill. Wait. Let me look at Euro. See what's happening there. I did the same thing. Pretty much did the same thing, anyways. Daily, just a big ass liquidity wick. 3 a.m. Yeah, 3 a.m. pushed up, 5 a.m. and then 115. That's a 20 pip move on euro. That's a pretty big move on euro. US 100. That looks crazy, you know. Where's the Dixie? Dollar's dropping, eh? Dollar crash, as those hedge eye guys like to say it. Hmm. Zoom in. 7 o'clock opened up, so that's a hour close. That hour close is pretty damn bullish. I don't know how high it's gonna go per se, but obviously there's potential for it to continue up. Like we just gotta wait and see how it reacts. I might get out 50% of my runner here. Yeah, I'm gonna get out 50% of my runner. So now I got 50% of my runner going. See how that reacts. I got out around 1839.50. I mean, 1839.60. Just looked again, but still a pretty good trade either way. Runners are meant to go or hit break even. I think that's the only two options for runners. Now it's dropping. Honestly, I think I might exit it. I feel like it's gonna respect this area, kind of be in this consolidation range we had drawn up from yesterday. So I'm just gonna exit that now. Yeah, it's not really doing much right now. I think I'm gonna wait till market open 7:30, and then I'll pull up Nasdaq on the split screen, and then with that we'll have to plan the move. Music's pretty low. I'm gonna turn it up for a bit. There we go. Yeah, I don't know. We caught that move. I think that's it. It's a Monday too. I mean, it's not really gonna move too much. No, I'm gonna put the split screen on right now. Get both of them in there. Where is this Nasdaq? Let's go. Yep, it is Nasdaq. Perfect. What's the time frame? 15 minute? Yeah, I like the 15 minute on Nasdaq. You know what? Let's do a quick analysis on it while we wait. Daily's bullish. Monthly going on a tear. Weekly 30 minutes. 15 minute looks good. I feel like if it kind of has a liquidity wick downwards, I might enter on some buys potentially, just for the fact we had this huge sell off during London again and then big retracement up. I do feel like we might continue on the way up. So I think we're going to be watching for that. If it does come across like that. Seven more minutes till market open. We got time. Gold's still pumping. That's good. I think around like 41, I'll probably get out of everything. Just have a small, very inconsequential runner going. So, what makes it? Let's wait for market open in 3 minutes. So market open, we can see this big sell coming on NASDAQ. I feel like once we start seeing some bullish prints, might enter. I'll have it on the 5-minute for now. So we got on the 5-minute. That's not a good one. I don't want to enter on that one. It literally just opened. Yeah, I can enter on that. Wow, that was a nice pump up. I think we called that, but I didn't execute on it just for the fact that it didn't look so good, to be honest. Kind of sketchy, but fuck it. Wow, look at that pump up. We called that, but I thought it would print like a red candlestick or two before pumping up, so that's why I didn't enter. We're gonna have to gauge it, see how it moves over the next little bit. Damn, that thing just pumped. Holy shit. Full disclosure, I'm not in it. I mean, we called the wick down, but that doesn't even matter considering how much it pumped up. I thought it would like go down a little bit more before pumping more, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's gone. It's going all the way. I'm gonna sit back and watch it now. Gold pumped up too. Damn, it's been just pumping this New York session. Damn, Goldie hit 1844. I wasn't anticipating that. That's actually crazy. I guess it's the power of runners. If I kept my runner there, that would have been basically a good example of what runners do in that situation. You can see it just pumps up. Damn, that Nasdaq went from 30 to 60. I I mean, that move in itself kind of called it, but the execution wasn't there. Said we're probably gonna get a wick down and then a big bull move up just from the way it was looking and printing overnight and basically into the New York session. But sometimes you miss it. You can't catch them all, right? If you did catch them all, you probably need computer trading or some shit like that, because that's just crazy. Yeah, I thought this was gonna go like 20s, 15s, about like 25 on Black Bull, 20 to 25 on Black Bull. That's where I was kind of looking at it on my Black Bull, but it never hit around that price. So gold pumping up. Gold's 1846. Damn. Damn, Nasdaq did pump up a lot. That's a fucking 40, 50 point move from when we were saying it. But can't complain. We gotta wait for next time. Next time, I think that's gonna happen, or anticipate that type of move happening, I'll probably just incrementally enter on the way down, and I kind of have a hard stop at a certain point. But literally, that was at 8:30 or 7:31. Sorry, when that move happened. Usually, when a move happens at that time, it kind of just doesn't do much. I mean, there's a lot of fake outs. There's a lot of indecision. There's just it ain't a clean move per se, but it's still a move in general. It happens though, right? So can't complain. I mean, if we could catch them all, that'd be the best. But sometimes you miss it. Then you just gotta look forward to the next trade. If you chase it, sometimes it pays off. Most of the time, it doesn't, from my experience. Can't really chase trades. Wow, gold is pumping at the moment. Pretty slow now. I already had it. Wow. Okay, never mind. Gold just fucking popped up to 1850. Holy shit, that was a nice pump. I'll still be on. I'll be watching for sure. I'm not going anywhere. The other thing I'm trying is trying to get my endurance to 9 o'clock. I feel like 9 o'clock is a good time to stop trading or just get off the computer at that point. So I'm trying to get that schedule and routine in there. So I'm on till 9. Good 3 hours or so. So see how that turns out. Wow, gold. What the fuck? 1852. That I was not expecting at all. I'm not even bullshit. That move, there's no way in hell I was expecting that shit to happen. Wow, 1855. Holy fuck, it's pumping. Damn, I can't believe gold actually pumped that high. That's insane. I mean, we did have that on our analysis, but I didn't expect it to happen today on a Monday. That was unexpected out of everything. I'll be right back. Wow, a gold. Holy shit, that thing's gonna keep pumping, I think. I won't be able to get on it though. I missed it. Try being on for like another hour here. Even if I don't talk as much, I kind of want to build that endurance to stay on for 3 hours. That's one thing I want to work towards. Because right at 9 o'clock, I feel like it starts to slow down. The moves aren't as clear or as concise either. And then this way, it'll help me kind of get into that whole mindset of being patient, waiting for the right opportunity and set up to execute. So, oh, just gotta wait now. Maybe there's gonna be another trade that pops up. Who knows? I feel like that trade already happened at 7 o'clock, but like, goddamn, 40 to 50. That's 100 plus pip move. That's insane. I was about to say pretty fat, but no, that's just straight up insane. I think I missed it. I think I missed it. My BA done for the day in a bit here. Fuck it, right? On to the next day. That's a fat fucking move. Wow. Remember how we were long at 1833? That would have been a 200 plus pip move. Who knew? Who the fuck knew? But now I just gotta learn how I can catch that for like another time. So for future dates or future opportunities, there's different ways to catch it, and I just got to be prepared and really know what to look for and how to catch it. Even leaving the runner in, because I think I said it on the stream earlier too. I'm like, the runner is either going to be break even or it's going to be a golden egg that makes you a lot of profit. I kind of just got out. Wanted to take profits. Ain't a bad thing, to be honest. Taking profits is always good. No one's gonna hate if you consistently take profits on every trade. I mean, that's better than most, right? But the fact that it ran 200 more pips, 150, 160 more pips for my price, there's got to be a way to actually learn from it and see how I could catch that for next time, right? I felt like this area was a resistance area as it was on Friday, but it ended up breaking it today. And with that break, you could see it was just a clean move up afterwards, right? So It is what it is, but next time I'll probably just enter along once it breaks. If it breaks, then you just kind of enter. The thing with gold though is if you chase it, sometimes it could just go against you very bad and just like crash and wipe you out. It's happened to me a couple times. But that's the thing with chasing gold. We had a pretty good price at the bottom there. I think for next time, runner for sure. That's gonna be the biggest key, is getting that runner. And then the second thing will be maybe a second trade, you know. I only did one trade today. Felt like it was good enough, but maybe a second trade if we built up that house money. Why not use it to actually play another move, potentially see another move? Just some ideas. This is me thinking out loud too, for anyone that chooses to listen on the stream. Man, Forex is a beautiful thing. Trading in general is just a beautiful thing too. Like the opportunities that could come from it is endless. It really is. It's at 1860 right now. That's a fat fucking move. I'm gonna have to move this out the way. 62 is the next area. I kept these lines in from, what was the word I was gonna use, from November, because I felt like this sell-off on gold was gonna come back and kind of correct the move a little bit before actually heading in its true direction. I mean, end of the month it could still head down, right? With the vaccines coming up, positive news, economy's rolling again, etc. Biggest thing with the vaccines though, once that's out, good news is out, and once good news is out, then that typically means market sentiment's better, and that means sell off in gold and more sell off into safe havens and more investments into the market itself. But obviously, it's a waiting game, always is.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
What up, man? How you doing?
Good, good, good. I'm just seeing gold rip like crazy.
Yeah,
Ooh,
man, I had a sick price. I didn't leave my runner. It was tough.
wait, you have a runner still, or?
No, I wish. I didn't think it was gonna break, so like I got it all out around 1844. I was long at 1833. That's any
18?
consolation.
Oh, damn.
I know, man.
1833, that's like at the bottom.
It is at the bottom. Well, you could see it. I
Crazy.
posted it on Instagram and
Yeah. I like this morning. I added a little bit. I just like 10 minutes ago. I added a little bit on the short on gold because I'm like net long short on gold, right? But I'm just like, you know what? Maybe it looks pretty strong right now, so I just kind of sold that, covered a little bit. I mean, I still have a little bit of a short position on there just in case, but yeah, just
but
gonna,
like you took a loss on that short.
yeah, just a small loss. It's all good.
Yeah, I think with gold from me especially looking at it every day, you can probably get better prices when you like wait a little bit and kind of see because the
Yeah,
daily's so strong now. You're gonna have to if you really want to short it and those guys short it, you're gonna have to wait. Can you see my screen? Is it sharing?
yeah, I can see your screen.
Kind of wait for like that consolidation and then kind of that. And then right here is like the prime spot to enter. Some of that
Yeah,
because December hasn't had a lower wick yet, so I do agree with that short. I do feel like it potentially could happen, maybe near mid to end December, but
yeah.
we'll see how that rolls. Plus, like, I mean, you're not going too much anyway, so it shouldn't really
Oh
matter.
no, I mean the thing is, gold GLD doesn't really move that much.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's an ETF, fault
Yeah,
tracking it, but we'll
and like,
see.
how much is gold really up today? A percent?
I don't know, not that much in percentage terms.
GDX ripped. Thank God I was on that shit, or I just went with gold, but always GLD.
Were they in GDX?
They covered.
Oh, they
Definitely.
cover. Damn, that's a good
Oh, I mean
profit take.
GLD's up. Gold's up 1.27%, so that's not too bad. And I didn't go that hard. It's hard. It's hard to short things. You know what I mean?
Yeah, especially if they went bullish. What else did you adjust this morning?
I don't know. Just well, I took a loss on natural gas. That tanked like crazy.
Did it? I didn't look at
Um,
it. Actually, I didn't check
yeah, it
fingers at all.
dropped another like 8%. But natural gas is just like it's wild, and I don't think I'm gonna enter a long on
Holy
natural gas
shit.
till it's like probably $2 or something
Yeah.
around there.
Well, then you could just do your average down strat once it's like
Probably
two
not.
dollars. Probably
I
not.
wouldn't like no. I mean, with capital and stuff, I probably would save that. Like,
Oh yeah, fair
if I was to
enough.
do anything, it'd be like the ETFs, like Triple Q or like TNA or U Pro, like something like that. But yeah, I don't think so. What was an interesting thing is I got call options for Palantir, and I'm up 60% on that. And I averaged down. It's,
Wow.
and I'm up like 60% on that. But I mean, I'm not like Wall Street bets and going crazy on betting my whole account. But it was something that I found very interesting waking up to.
How
And I was
many
like, oh wow, I'm
contracts
up
you get?
four.
Four? That's pretty good. 400 shared. Well, four contracts could be 400 shared. What price? Well,
It's
strike price,
well,
all
the
the other
strike
stuff.
price is 30, but
30?
it's at $26. And I bought it at initially 24, and then it dropped to like 22, and I bought another two.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then now it's back up to 26 for
That's fat,
Palantir's
man.
prices. Yo, if it goes to 30, that means these options are worth $1 each. And I have but the thing is, they expire this week.
So how much would that be if they're worth $1 each? 1,000?
No, a
No,
dollar.
dollar.
Well, if the option's a dollar, it'll be. Well, I mean, it's like a dollar
That's not bad.
option. Yeah. Because like I bought them at like first one I bought them at 48 cents, and then I bought another one at 20 cents. Two for 20 cents, and then two for 50 cents.
Okay, that's not bad. Was that on their alerts or that was just your
No,
trade?
that's just me because I've been like,
You've been
because
watching
I
it,
got out of
yeah.
Palantir, I took profits. I was like, well, I don't know, maybe we're gonna get like. I always trust the Wall Street meme stocks.
Wow, the meme stocks. No, it was a
I don't know,
good
they have
one,
like a
man.
cult following,
Yeah, not
and
even
I'm
that.
just like,
It's pretty strong right now. Anyways, just looking at it, I had that big move up and then had the retracement, and now it's just like a good time to buy.
oh wow, Palantir is like 10%. Yeah, I just got the notification. It's nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it'd be
up.
just nice and stuff. Because like, I get 100% return on options. It's kind of fun because like Mucker's too, and kind of how he talks about them
Hmm.
to like leverage his position. Well, I don't really want to risk with stocks with Palantir, so I just like I don't know. I'll just play options and stuff. And we'll see.
I'm pretty smart. Fuck it.
And they
Options.
move quite a bit with Palantir. I'm just like okay.
Well, yeah,
It's like
Palantir
almost
is
Tesla.
like. Well, yeah, there's a lot of volume on Palantir right now. There's a lot of
Wow, Tesla
volatility.
622. My girl would be choked.
Why is she gonna be choked?
Buy at 550.
Oh damn!
But like I put it,
And you
I
sold
told her to
it?
put a stop, and the stop got hit, and then it ripped up $70.
What price was it stop?
It was $10, so she made some profits, but $70. Oh damn, yeah. I
See,
didn't
that's
know
a
that.
tough part with the active managing. Sometimes it happens like that.
I mean, she's fine though.
I know her accounts keep doing well. Anyways,
He-
how's the weekend? Pretty chilling.
Yeah, how much? Honestly, man, just really just chill out, take it easy. How about you?
Did you go hiking at all? No.
Yeah, we did. We went to
Sulfur?
what's it called again? No. Sulfur is too icy. What is it called? Jero was the one we were supposed to go. Grotto. Grotto?
Grotto.
Grotto.
Oh,
G
Grotto.
R T T.
Yeah, the
G R O
canyon
T T O.
or canyon or mountain.
Canyon. It was pretty
Nice.
cool. Have
Yeah, I
you
know.
been?
No, I heard good things about it, but want to
Yeah,
go
there's a
there.
cave. I wanted to actually try and get to the cave. It's like pretty steep. It's like a
Yeah.
very interesting landscape for that where that cave is placed. I don't know how they made the cave or whatever, but yeah, it's very interesting.
It's a cool canyon too. I mean,
Yeah. So yeah, it's a very cool canyon. But yeah, it's interesting. So at least. How about you?
oh yeah, yo, that beef Wellington. I'm
Yeah,
not
I love
kidding.
bomb.
I've been cooking for what years and years now. This thing is by far the best thing I've ever made. and
Best thing,
I've
damn.
had 3 beef Wellingtons in restaurants before. This
Yeah.
one topped them all, guaranteed. It was
Damn, buddy.
bomb as fuck. I ate way too much on Friday night. It was disgusting how much I ate, but it was worth it.
It's okay, man. As long as it's worth it, that's all
Well,
that
yeah, like that's
matters.
the only cheat meal basically is like Friday night and Saturday night now. So I was like, damn, this thing is too good right
Yeah, that's all G,
now. What
man.
else to do? Saturday, went to the girl's house for a bit, had dinner with their fam. It was her brother's daughter's birthday. Turned
That's cool.
1 years old.
One. Wow.
One. Yeah. So
Damn. A
well, it turns
youngin.
one in like a day or two, but that's what it is.
A youngin. For
Yeah, man.
sure.
Well, pretty chilling. I mean, not really. Can't really go out much, right? So,
Yeah.
did you go to your girl's house on
No, I haven't
Sunday?
been.
Oh, you haven't been?
No.
Oh, I was gonna
It's
ask
only
if
on.
if you saw the protests and shit going on for brown people,
Oh, for the yo, so what is going
farmers.
on with the farmers? Like, what is their government doing to
The
punish them?
government's pretty corrupt. Modi's like the Indian version of Trump, so he tries to take control of everything, and he's never really liked Punjabis before. So, like in general, India's Punjabi population is like mostly farmers down there.
Yeah.
So he passed a bill really cutting into their profits or how much they could sell or grow. So with
Like
that,
taxing them or like what?
I think taxing and limits. I forget. I didn't really look into Indian politics. I just know it's like there's a bunch of issues with logistics, the economy, their business operations, and everything. But
Yeah,
once you
yeah.
once you have that, you got like 250 million fucking farmers protesting in India and then like all around the world now too. So pretty wild,
Kind
man.
of whack, man. You know, let farmers be farmers. They grow your goddamn food.
I know, man. They provide food for everybody and shit, but
Yeah, it's a noble profession.
I know, but I mean, the guy's racist. He's an Indian
I don't even
Trump,
know how you're
bro.
racist when they're brown people.
Culturally, right? it's like
I guess.
it's like the religions. Like you got Muslims,
Yeah,
Sikhs, Hindus, and
yeah.
sometimes one race might not or one religion might not like the other.
Fair
Kind
enough.
of goes
Ooh,
like
Palantir.
that.
Here, I'm 100% up my options. Wow, that's
Nice.
crazy.
What is that in like monetary value?
152 bucks
Oh, that's
profit.
still good. Fuck. Considering how you
Well, yeah,
trade
it's
it.
it's. I've gone my 1-to-1, but I don't know. Like I said, I think this might pop up. Like wow, today's just huge. I'm very surprised. Yeah, wow, very surprised. Let's just see. It'd be nice if it goes back to the previous highs of $33.50. These options would be worth quite a bit.
Would be a nice payday.
Yeah, definitely a nice payday. That's for sure. Couple
Dude,
things went up, couple things went down,
kind of
but
choked on Nasdaq. I remember how we said that liquidity, the lower 5 minute, be red and then just
yeah,
enter on the green. I was waiting for that red candlestick with the green, and I was like talking about it on stream, but it
yeah,
just literally at 7:31 just started like pumping up, and I was like, fuck. I thought it'd be like 7:40 or some shit. Some like actually get like a few red candlesticks before pumping up,
yeah.
but
I
that's
don't know.
tough to
It's
like wait.
wild. The first 30 minutes.
Yeah, first 30 is, but like the first 15, 30 is like a lot of volatility. But we've seen that where you have that spike down last week too. And then it just like pumps up if it's on a bullish trend, right? But
Yeah, I mean, you still got that area then.
yeah, you got
With the
that
red
area definitely.
candlesticks.
But I kind of just like stopped watching it. I was like, damn. That because this
Yeah.
move in itself was, even if you get it on the flip, $40 move from here to here. Here would be 60 pips, but 40 pips. But I mean, fuck it, right? Just gotta prepare for next time, and I gotta prepare for gold on how to not exit here and catch 200 more pips.
Honestly,
Mm.
I mean, the thing is this, right? Like, if you're not planning to hit home runs all the time, then that doesn't really matter to you. I mean,
That's
yeah, you
true.
maybe kept a runner. That's it.
Yeah, I think I was even saying that before you came on to myself on the stream. I was like, because in the end of the day, a runner is just gonna be break even or make you like a big ass golden egg, as Roger likes to call it, which is true. It's either gonna hit your break even, or it's gonna be like that 30% of the time it keeps running, which in this case it did. But
Yeah,
fuck it, right? It is what
yeah,
it is.
it is what it is. I agree. Just chill out.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, dude, yesterday I stubbed my toe so hard. So I
Doing
stubbed
what?
it. I was just walking and it kind of hit the table. Big feet problem.
Oh,
That
buddy.
it hit
Is
like
it
the.
black or what?
Oh, it fell off.
Wait, what do you mean? Oh, was Ari injured previously
No, it
or?
was completely fine. So it just fell off. So I stubbed it, and like your nail, the top of your big toe. So
Yeah.
I hit like the top of that, and it like popped the bottom part off where it's connected.
Wait, this is a completely fine toenail.
Completely fine toenail, and it just
How? You
I
just
stubbed it
oh
hard, but
gross. Sorry, I'm just imagining this. I feel unsettled right now.
yeah, I'll send you a picture if you want it.
No,
So
it's okay, man.
you sure, man? I took one.
That's
Pretty.
fucked. It popped out your toenail.
Yeah, so I stubbed the nail wasn't even that long, but if you like hit your nail too hard against
And this is the
something,
big toe, right?
yeah, big toe. So like I don't know, I think I was like lifting my foot up to take the next step or some shit, and then the top of the nail caught like the table, and it like pushed the top part down and popped the bottom part up. If you know what I'm trying to say.
Holy shit!
Couldn't run this
Sound.
morning. I tried running and I was like, fuck, I'll just walk.
Oh, so you try to go for a run this morning, eh?
Yeah, but then I was like, fuck, I can't. I just had to walk at that point. It was just too much.
God dang it, man.
Nails are the worst, bro. I need like metal feet or something.
Holy smokes, just popped off, eh?
Straight clean off. Well, actually,
Wow.
the bottom part
Gosh.
popped straight off, but like the sides were still attached, so I had to like rip it off.
Oh, you ripped it. Oh,
Well, no,
goodness.
so like the part that's connected to the bottom, right? Like you have the two sides, like left and right, and then the
Yeah.
bottom part. So the bottom
Yeah.
part completely popped off, but like the sides were still connected.
Yeah.
So I had to like rip that off. So it actually,
Oh,
movable.
that's gross, man.
It's so nasty, but it was.
It's so gross, man. I'm kind of like, wow.
I don't know. I think it'll take like a day before I can run. So fuck it.
Oh, wow. I don't even know what to say.
It's the worst kind of injuries, man. The toes.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. Oof.
You've had your experiences with toe injuries too. It's not the best at all.
Yeah, but mine never popped off. They just turned black.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, jeez.
Well, popped off is pretty. It's not bad. It's just like quick and easy. Just take it off.
Oof.
You just got to at that point,
So it's
right?
just bare naked right now.
Yeah, isn't it? Well, I got a wrap around it, but yeah, I took a picture of it when it was
Oof.
bare naked. I thought it was pretty cool.
That is gross.
Yeah, that shit definitely hurts.
Yeah, I'm gonna go hiking with my parents. Just some nice little troll falls. There's a lot of the places on the highways closed apparently. Like Highway
Really?
40, so the Kananaskis Road is
Why is
closed.
that?
I think it's wildlife.
Oh, really? Damn.
There's a lot of wildlife movement and stuff. Well, that's what I was told, or read, I should say. And then what else? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go hiking, and then we'll see.
That'll be nice though. It's some good weather recently too. Good old
Yeah,
global warming.
it was windy though. Don't get me wrong, it was windy, so I was a little ill prepared. Should have had my scarf and some gloves.
But
For the
still, in
hike.
general, pretty good weather
Good
overall.
weather.
Compared, like for it being December, been hasn't been too bad.
Yeah.
When are you gonna go with your parents this weekend?
I'm gonna probably have to get ready soon, bro.
Oh, you're going today. Shit.
Yeah, I'm going today. So that's
Damn.
yeah.
Alright, I'll probably stop the stream soon in a bit. I just want to see the next 30 minutes. Couple minutes, see what it does. I feel like
Like a
gold's
30-minute close.
Well, I just want to see what gold does. It's at a pretty big resistance right now. So I'm not gonna short it up here. Don't worry, man. But just
Oh yeah.
want to see how it does. I've learned that with the hard way. Trying to catch gold on tops and bottoms never works out.
No, no. I mean, for what I see and stuff on, like, for example, Nasdaq, it's like a 5 minute or a 10 minute candlestick. When it hits a zone,
Yeah, yeah.
typically, it closes at least somewhat red with a high, like a long wick on the top, and then it'll proceed to go down.
I think
But
remember how fuck. I think it was like a month or two ago with that wick thing you brought up. Remember how you said you could tell it's slowing down from a move like this, followed by consolidation like that. I remember you were showing me. It was like you were trying to long it, and it was on QQQ, but you said it was like having a down move, and then you have that big wick that reverses, and then you have maybe one more push, and then you have consolidation again before it reverses.
yeah,
Kind of
kind of
has
like
like,
what's going on now.
yeah, you kind of have
And
like
like,
that initial, and then you have like that
what I
reaction.
like is this: you see this top upper wick and stuff, and then it already closed red. So
Yeah, yeah.
ideally speaking, like if you really were thinking this has been slowing down during these candlesticks, right? You would have been like, okay, well, I'll take a short position here, and then your stop would be the top of here, and then see what it does. But
Exactly.
that's like a 50-50, maybe a 60-40.
Yeah, at
But
that point, it's kind of like you're playing just that reversal, playing the odds that it will go down
yeah,
or something.
exactly.
So
But you never know.
never know.
Never know. Yeah.
Could play out though.
You hope so, right? Always,
Always hope, man.
always hope. Wow, gold, you crazy son of a bitch. Come on, fine. Let's go. $30 by the end of the day. Let's go.
Palantir, $30 end of the day.
If it did, I'm selling half. Taking half profits off, and I'll just stop for break even it. Call it a day. Call it a day. Yeah, I'll be right back. Just give me a sec.
That sounds good.
Yeah, I need to practice more on Nasdaq.
Yeah, well, practice, look at it, be on every morning, same time,
Yeah.
even in the
It
later in
was
the day
nice.
too.
Up 6:30 today, just getting shit ready, getting the week started.
Nice. 6:30, you're gonna be your time you're on now.
Well, I mean, on to look at kind of like
Yeah,
going
those.
into the gist, and
I
then maybe
drive.
watch the show in the morning, and then after that, then yeah,
What time's their
I'll,
show? 7:30 every morning.
7.
7 for 30 minutes or what?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I'm still trying to get my question asked. No luck yet.
Did you ask it again?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing. Damn.
Oh, and see, now it's choppy as hell. I mean, though,
The move already happened though. That was
yeah,
a move. That was a
I
move.
agree.
So
Yeah, the move was like the what was it, the red candle, the two red candlesticks, and then the push up.
Yeah, basically. Even before that, at times at 7:30, yeah, and then 7:50, you got basically two moves in that you could
Yeah,
potentially grab. But yo, I think I'm gonna end it.
yeah, cool.
Well, whoever tunes in, thanks for tuning in, watching the video.
Yeah, appreciate everyone. Have a great week ahead, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Have a great Monday.